Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be playing with the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star. I've created this eye look using the shades inside the palette, obviously. I've used the shade Cherry Wet and I've used the shade Licorice and I've used this gorgeous lemon drop shade in the corner, which is a gold yellow shade, and I can't wait for you to see it. It's kind of similar to my Mitchell look that I did, but I don't know. I was feeling pink and gold. Also, I've just had to re-record this intro because I noticed that I had lipstick on my teeth. So at the end of the video, you'll watch me apply my lipstick. So please don't leave comments saying that I've got lipstick on my teeth because I know, and I don't know if I'll be able to see them. I'll need to check while editing, but you know, we all go through it, so be nice. So enjoy the video, and if you want to see how I've got this eye look, then please just keep on watching. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set my eyes with concealer first. I'm just using the Conceal and Hydrate concealer, Revolution again. Blend it out. Now I'm going to take the shade Cherry Wet from the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to take that as high as I can on my lid, but not touching my eyebrow. And I'm going to smoke it out on the outside of my eye. This is an absolutely gorgeous colour. And you can take this into your inner corner as well. Not as much as I've just done, but it's easily wiped away. And I'm just using the GS5 brush for this. Just a big fluffy brush. Once you feel like you've got enough eyeshadow on, you can just go in with the next colour, which is Licorice. And I'm just going to take the Morphe / Jeffree Star brush in GS9 to apply it. And you're just going into the inner corner and into the crease with this shade and blending it in underneath Cherry Wet. And just smoke it out at the ends. I'm just going to leave that like that for now. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe M139 brush and I'm going to go in with Raspberry, which is this colour just here, this dark maroon red colour. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer V's and go into the crease with that a little bit as well. And then if you want, you can just go back in with Licorice and just take that a little bit over Raspberry just to bring back the brightness. And place that through the through the crease again. I don't know if anyone has seen Jeffree Star's new palette, but oh my god, I really want it. It's called Bloodlust and it's purple. I was playing with the purples in the Blood Sugar palette, but I tried like 3 times and I couldn't create a look. I think this eye, since I've been plucking my hairs out, the concealer's getting stuck inside the pores and it's not letting me place eyeshadow on it properly, so I couldn't do it, so I went to the Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to try and create a look using the Blood Sugar, not the Blood Sugar one, sorry, the Blue Blood as well. So I need to start using more of my my eyeshadow palettes that I don't use. Now I'm just going to go off camera and I'm going to cut the crease from the inner corner to about where the darkest shade ends. And I'll be right back. Now that I've done my cut crease off camera, I'm just going to go back in with that shade Raspberry, and I'm just going to apply it to the outer V's. Just to close off that cut crease line, like so. So I'm just packing it on and flicking it in towards my inner corner. I tried with the Bloodsugar palette to work from darkest shadow up to the lightest, and it just wasn't working. I was blending them together and they were coming out completely different colours. I think this palette's a really good palette if you're wanting to experiment with colours and pastels, because it's got everything in it. It's got tons of really nice shimmers, mattes, pastels, and even a few nudes. So now that that's on, I'm just going to go in with the shade Lemon Drop, which is this shimmer yellow gold at the bottom of the palette. I'm just going to use my Urban Decay Naked Free brush, and I'm going to pack that onto where the concealer is left. And it just sticks like anything, it's so easy. I'm going to spritz my brush a little bit with just Primark setting water, primer water even. Give it a bit more of a chance, and look how much easier that is. It's like painting it on. And it's okay to go over the line a little bit with that purple there. Wow, I should have used that primer for this eye. So I'm just taking that right into the inner corner. That's what it's looking like so far. It looks really high, but that's because I'm stretching my eye. This is what it looks like with my eyes closed. Like that. Packing that on to the rest of the bits that I've missed. Like so. This is giving me this is reminding me of when I did my review on the Mitchell palette. I think I did a similar look. But when you're happy with how much you've got on your eye, just go back in with your outer V brush and go back in with Raspberry and just kind of flick that onto the gold again on the outer V, and they'll mesh together. And you can pat it as well, just like that. It looks completely different on camera than it does in person. Now I'm just going to go in with my finger with some of that lemon drop shade on it and just kind of pan it on the line so that it's kind of like that. Kind of just patted it. Sorry, excuse my nail. It fell off. The acrylic part, not the actual nail. Now I'm just going to put on my face products and I'll be back, and I'm just going to put more eyeshadow under the eye and I'm going to do the inner corner. So that's me just finished my makeup off camera, and now I'm just going to put that eyeshadow under my eyelids. And I'm going to go in with the shade Cherry Wet, which is the one on the bottom there next to the purple. I'm just taking my JS12 brush and I'm just going to connect that to the line where the eyeshadow ends on top. Bring it all the way into the inner corner. Well, nearly all the way in. I'm just going to pat that just where my like outer V tear duct is, if that makes any sense, because it's empty there. And then I'm going to come back to that eye in a second, but I'm just going to do the same eye. Sorry, the same on this eye. And you can drag it down a bit. It doesn't need to be right under your eye, like almost on your waterline. You can drag it down to make it look a bit more smoked out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the JS13 brush, and this one's a bit smaller than the one I just used, and I'm going to go in with the shade Jawbreaker, and this is a pearlescent white, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner. I think Jawbreaker has a slight shift to it, but it's more like a green shift or a gold shift. It's not got a pink shift or anything, so it matches the lid quite well actually. I'm going to put some on my nose. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to like smoke out these V's a bit more because I don't like how sharp they are. So I'm just going to take my pre-marked fluffy brush and kind of just go over that line in a circle, in circular motions. Well, it's not really doing anything. I think you need to just keep doing it until you're happy with it, to be honest. You know, it's working on this eye a bit better. I mean, I still like the idea of the V, but just not so sharp. But yeah, this is pretty much the gist of the eye look. And that's it done, I think. I'm just now going to get my Cherry Truffle Fixing Spray from Revolution, and I'm just going to switch that over my face, set everything. And then I'm going to go into my Jeffree Star Nudes box and select a lip gloss, because I have celebrity skin in the regular size and I always wear it, so I want to try something different. I want something to go with this eye, so I'm going to go for Rose Matter, and Rose Matter has a slight pink tinge to it, so hopefully it will look good. This is a very Jeffree Star themed video because I've also got my mirror, and I'm going to use that just to apply my lipstick, or help me see. Skin. Oh, I hate this weather because my skin and my lips are so dry. Oh wow, that's really pink. Kind of wanted a more nudie one, so I'm actually going to take that off. And instead, I'm going to apply Skin Tight, which has also got a slight hint of pink, and it looks like this. So hopefully this will look better. Oh yeah, I really prefer that. This kit is so nice if you like Jeffree Star's nude liquid lipsticks, but you don't want to spend lots of money on like 5 of his regular size ones. You can just get lots of little ones. There's also 2 browns in there called Gemini and Leo. And a bit too dark. My dry lips are not doing this liquid lipstick any justice. But that's a stunning formula. and it's dried down really fast, and it's not tacky or too drying, so it's perfect. I just wish that those little flakes of skin weren't there. So yeah, pretty much used, yeah, my lips and my eyes are both Jeffree Star products. I really want to get his new Bloodlust palette. Then hopefully I could do a video on that. So anyway, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see any more videos on whatever eyeshadow palette, I've got tons. I might even do a video on my collection to show you what I've got. But I've got the JAWBREAKER palette, I've got the Blue palette, and I've got the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. So those are my Jeffree Star ones. But thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!